Merry Christmas, y'all. So we're gonna go over a token that I think is very bullish for this cycle, and I'm planning to hold it as a long-term hold. So it's gonna be Woo. Woo token. It's an exchange token as well as a DeFi token. I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out with their own chain soon. So that would be the narrative. Basically, think of kind of like Binance token or BNB. Maybe hopefully it'll have its own native layer where it can build dApps on. I've used its platform for both the centralized exchange and its own DEX, the decentralized exchange, and it's been working pretty flawlessly. And I think it's in the midst of a breakout, but it has room to grow. So first, let's look at the BTC pair. To me, this is pretty bullish. Tapped this order block, had a nice deviation, and I think we're going to go to range highs. Let's see how high we can go. Oops. So I would be targeting to take some profit or exit around these levels, 34.96 sats and 48.51. That's where I would be. Let me set an alert there too, just so in the future. And then let's look at the USDT pair. It's weird because I can't find the chart of the most price history, but I think it's Hobie. I can't even pronounce it straight. But it's interesting that this order block was never tested. So keep that in mind if we are still in a bear market, but I don't think that's the case anymore. I think we're confirmed bull. But let's get some targets for right now. Let's do bottom to the top of the correction. We'll do linear first. So like these two. And then let's take, oops, what am I doing? Let's take log as well. If I can just grab it. And then if you're wondering how I'm getting these targets, it's basically an algorithm driven profit taking level. Basically it's a negative inverted fib retracement from the bottom to the top of the correction, and you would just look for the negative 1.236 or the negative 1.62. Another way you can also do it is if you do your trend based fib, you bottom to the top, and it's pretty much similar. Okay, that's definitely unrealistic. It's not, no way, or very low chance it'll be $1,500, but just wanted to show how I get my long-term targets. And let's get our channel going right here. All right, and then just one more. We'll do it this way. So two channels going on. The greater channel. So I would try to be, anytime it's at the upper range of this channel and it looks like it's gonna, if I had to guess, maybe like double digits or $10. So we'll wait and see how that looks. But in terms of some classic TA, or I guess you can say this ICT as well, you got your market structure break or shift, it doesn't matter how you want to call it. It's really interesting that it didn't tap it, but okay. And then we got another one right here. Oh, what's wrong with my shift button? Okay, cool. Get this out of the way. God damn. God dang. The order block, a nice retest, and we got another shift here. I don't think that's going to be tested again unless it's going to be a scam wick. I'll just take that out. So, oh, this is a nice pivot too, 33 cents. So above this line, above 33, I will look for it to test upper range. So previous all-time high, 165. And I think that it's also going to go, or some notable levels, 69 cents. All right, so a lot of lines. Let me try to clean it up. And we're at channel resistance. I'll just take this out right now. Clean it up a little bit. I'll take out this shift, But I just wanted to draw that just so you understand how I'm looking at it. But Woo, definitely bullish. I'm looking for at least all-time highs get tested, and then all-time high targets 3.54, 412, and then moonshot 46, 130. I know that sounds insane. It does sound crazy, I know. In terms of a wave count, what if this is a giant, this is a 1, and then what if this 2 ends here, and we have 3, 4, and 5, something like this, right? I don't like to be, I mean, you could say that that's 1, 2, and then 1, 2, but I'm not a fan of those kind of nested counts. So let's just say that it ends here, and then if I was gonna say, I don't know, maybe it's some kind of complex combo. You get a ABC, WXY, and then a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and then the impulse starts right here. Right, that's exactly where it starts, and then you have your subwave being, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, something like that. That's my best guess if I was gonna put a wave count on it, but to me, we're gonna go way higher. Again, the narrative, the DEX, the D5 has a lot of swaps, and then possibly having its own chain like BNB. It's a really good centralized exchange. Hopefully it becomes legal in the US, but I doubt it just because it has leverage trading. Leverage trading. If you guys are interested in joining, there is a promotion going on. If you sign up for Woo using my ref link, I'll give you a lifetime membership to the Discord. Also, before I forget, none of this is financial advice. Please trade at your own risk. This is only for educational purposes only. So that's Woo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and have a great happy holidays. Peace.